Hello everyone, welcome to sunny Turkey. This is Wow Property here, and on this week's episode we are touring a Villa Imera, this one right behind me. But actually this is like a small complex of 5 villas. All of them looks very similar, and architectural style blends harmoniously on the cliffy landscape while offering amazing views over the Mediterranean Sea. Villa Imera is currently not on the market, but the price of the property is $300,000. But at the moment it's available for short-term rentals on Airbnb. But now let's go, I will show you Villa Imera. This is the main entrance of the house. There we have a pretty good size front door. When you came in, you have a little lobby. On the right side, there's a master bedroom of the first floor, a staircase that leads up to the second floor, and there's the second master bedroom. And right in front of you, you have a third bedroom with 2 separate beds, and on the left side we have our open kitchen, dining and living room area. And as you can see, all walls are built from rock and wood, and I love the idea how they have integrated both materials from the design aspect as well. I love the texture and the color of the natural stone. On this side, there's kitchen with a fridge, microwave, dishwasher, stove, cooktop. Basically, it's fully prepared, and I love how this black marble top looks like. And there we have a massive wooden dining table with sitting options for, I think, 6 people. And this is the living room area with 2 couches and 2 chairs with this wooden table in the middle as well, a TV zone, and of course this is the best part of the house. I think the center of the villa is this infinity pool with this gorgeous view. And the first thing that comes in mind for everyone who have been in this property is the view. It really is amazing. So as you can see, you have 6 sunbed options, 2 on this side, 2 on the right corner, and another 2 right in the swimming pool. So you can enjoy your sun right from the water. And if you don't prefer eating indoors, you have the option to enjoy your breakfast, dinner or lunch outdoors as well. You have your table with 6 chairs. There we have a chill zone as well with a few sitting options, and of course a barbecue grill. But now let's go inside. I will show you the bedrooms. I think let's start with the master bedroom of the first floor. You have your king-size bed a TV right in front of your bed, and of course the best part of this bedroom is this gorgeous jacuzzi where you can drink your champagne while enjoying this amazing view. And of course the room has direct access to the infinity pool as well. And now I will show you the bathroom of this bedroom. But now let's go to the second bedroom of the first floor. It's really cozy with two separate beds, a huge closet space on the right side. There's no TV, as you can see, but I think you don't need one because, again, look at the view. It really is amazing. And of course, you have direct access to the pool as well. And this is the bathroom. And now let's go upstairs and I will show you the third bedroom of the house. The second floor bedroom is almost the same as in the first floor, with a king-size bed and of course your jacuzzi. The only difference is that you don't have a TV, and instead of the pool you have access to the balcony. But I think it's still amazing because you have your view. And now I will show you the bathroom of this bedroom, and it's right here. I hope you like the tour and you enjoy the video. As always, I will leave all the information of this property down below, but don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one.